'Tis the season with these eggnog cupcakes. These cupcakes are a perfect blend of rich eggnog, a hint of nutmeg, and topped with a creamy eggnog buttercream frosting. As always, the list of ingredients and directions have been posted down below in the video's description box for your convenience. For our dry ingredients, we need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to give this a quick mix and then set it off to the side. To our main mixing bowl, we need 6 tablespoons of unsalted softened butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 1/2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Give that a good mix. Next, we need 2 eggs added in 1 at a time, mixing well between each addition. In goes the second egg. And while we're at it, toss in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix, mix, mix. Next, we're going to add in the dry ingredients in 2 batches as well, mixing well between each addition. Lastly, we need the good stuff, the classic delicious eggnog everybody loves, or whatever brand is your go-to. As my mom says, grab it and growl. We need 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of the good stuff. Give that one final mix. Don't forget to scrape the bowl if needed. And my bowl needs it. Not really, I just need an excuse to lick the spatula later. Alright, this looks good. Grab your standard size cupcake pan and any festive holiday liners. I'm going with this beautiful green as it's my favorite color. Grab a cookie scooper and fill each liner half of the way full. Please make sure you're only filling them halfway. I didn't listen to myself and overfilled the first batch, and this is what came out of my oven. These were the only 2 that came out of the pan. The rest are currently stuck until they cool down enough to pry off the pan. The cake is too delicate right now and will fall apart if I try. Point being, only fill the liners halfway. Oh, and I left them in for too long. Into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes depending on your oven. And here's what they should look like. Alright, let's make the eggnog frosting. To a bowl we need 1/2 cup of unsalted softened butter and 1/2 cup of shortening. If you'd rather use butter over shortening, that's fine, just swap it out with more butter. We're going to mix this until it's well combined. Next, we need 4 cups of powdered sugar, but we're only going to add in 2 at a time. Let's add in our wet ingredients before we add in the last 2 cups of powdered sugar. We need 4 tablespoons of more delicious eggnog. Followed by 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Give that a quick mix. And in goes the last 2 remaining cups of powdered sugar. In total, that was 4 cups of powdered sugar. Don't be afraid to scrape that bowl, we want everything completely mixed in. Once you're ready, transfer your frosting to a piping bag fitted with an M1 piping tip. Grab your completely cooled cupcakes and pipe on a generous amount of frosting. That's so pretty. Let's do another. Here's an ingredients list. Be sure to check out my other holiday-inspired cupcakes. I also have a ton of Christmas cookie recipes you should also probably check out. All of them are located on my channel, which you should probably subscribe to so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.